Hindi, once mabigat yan, nagbibigay ka ng foul. Eh.
Apat na foul na si Jethro Escoto. One more and he's gone. Last 2 minutes.
Open lane.
Mocon. Serrano, the offensive rebound. And ball will go back to Marikina. Just a 6-point advantage for Muntinlupa.
I thought he had a shot earlier, but he did also think right na dapat merong tao dun sa corner after that offensive rebound.
Timaho got blitzed. Basibas 4-3. Fight for the rebound, ending up with Lander Cannon. Ubaldo going up strong, can't finish through contact. Amidst all the chaos, rebound going to Serrano. A minute and 18 left. No need to foul if you're the Shoemasters. Oh, Escoto though, anticipating the pass, will lay it up and in, turning defense into offense.
So you gotta take care of the ball.
VIPs, Bob Emmer, Kuya Roots, and Kuya Saldi. Marikina trying to apply pressure, but Muntinlupa able to break free. Under a minute remaining here. De La Virgen getting past Escoto. Floater though, won't drop. Offensive rebound by Harvey Pagsanhan and a foul given up by Timaho. Not sure if you wanted to give up a foul at that juncture.
Yeah, tsaka wise enough to reset the clock. At gamitin yung panibagong 14 na nakuha nila pagdating dun sa offensive rebound na yun.
Apat lang yung lamang eh.
Oo, apat lang. This is Sean's first trip to the line.
6 points and 6 assists for Sean Argente.
And on a 3 of 8 from the field.
Pasok yung kanyang unang free throw. Muntinlupa, should they win this one, they stay in the hunt for those spots in the next round. Mathematically, pero kasi pwede pa sila mag 4-4. But if Quezon wins against Pasay later, eliminated na sila.
Oo. That's why yung mga humahabol, talagang win as many as you can. Yun na yung labanan.
Oo. Timaho got stripped. Mocon thought it was off Timaho's leg. Pwede review ng ating referees. Last 2 minutes.
I think the Muntinlupa Cagers are maybe 1 or 2 big men short of competing inside the paint.
34.5, still 6 points separating these two squads. If you just tuned in, kanina, Marikina got off to a blistering start, 10-0. But Muntinlupa able to come back, establish a 13-point lead in the first half. Their biggest. Then at the halftime break, they were up by 9. Unti-unti ulit dumikit yung Marikina, but the Cagers had every answer to every run and attempt by the Shoemasters. Cannon creating space. He should have made that though. Alam niya sa sarili niya, no? 3-point play sana.
Sayang.
That would have made it a one-possession game with 32.1 seconds left.
Tsaka yung third quarter run kanina, Ken, yung puntos talaga sa loob ng shaded area, dun medyo nahirapan kontrolin itong Muntinlupa. Mabuti na lang yung mga 3-pointers pumasok para kay Jeric Serrano. Doon na nagkaroon ng kahit pa paano separation with Marikina.
Sablay, unang free throw ni Lander Cannon. Marikina today, just 9 out of 16 from the line, make that 10 of 17. 84-79. Corteza and De La Virgen make their return. The pitch ahead to Harvey Pagsanhan, who wisely will pull it back out despite an opening. De La Vergen. Argente. This is a guy you want to foul, and Corteza will be tested at the line. But some significant time chipped off the game clock. 20.9 seconds left. Escoto will foul out.
Well, you want to foul Miggy Corteza because he's pinakabago pumasok dito sa floor, pero in terms of shot making from the line today, he's 2 out of 2. Tingnan natin. Si Misa may challenge din to si Miggy, no? Pagdating sa free throw.
Well, he makes us look like fools by making a first free throw.
That's the reverse jinx of ano, no?
Oh.
Broadcaster's jinx in reverse.
Mintis yung pangalawa daw. Canon, pasa kay Landayan. 15 seconds remaining. Jomel Landayan gets into the paint, lost it, and that should do it. Muntinlupa looks like they will hold on here. 11.6 seconds left. MJ and Sean come in. De La Vergen will get fouled by Timaho.
Should be a done deal.
Yeah. De La Vergen with another double-digit output, 12 points, 2 steals, making a couple of threes. 3 out of 4 from the line. Getting both. Marikina, after winning against the D-League team, unfortunately will fall short here. The Cagers will bounce back. Uy, may foul pa. Meron pa. I-reviewin nila.
At yung tulak ni Deo Timaho kay MJ, yun yata ang pinituhan.
Lana.
Yep.
So the game is done for Jeric Serrano, who also hit